Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back today. My name is Shane Freehold. We go peace, wiggle, win. But I'm gonna ask you guys the best ever. I'm gonna prank people. Yes. Man, guys, so you know about this. This sound is okay. First up, it is crap. I'm gonna clap a hammer. It's like like that. And now is this or a bounce or a whistle, a valve. And burp. And a song too. And is fart. And last one is banana. Fast as you can. So, guys, you're gonna get up above right now. Click enough times up to click it YouTube, hit the bell. Time to prank people this. Let's do this. So, guys, I'm not gonna ask it one more time. Guys, thank you so much, guys. I love you guys, and I'm gonna use for my video, my YouTube. You're gonna quickly tap below. Click my tabs up. Click on YouTube. Hit the bell. Time in prank paper time. Let's do it. So, this isn't only prank people and anything, but let's do it. So, I'm gonna start over here. Yeah, but is there anybody part of anything, but no to this in the word. So, yeah, but there's a YouTube, there's stuff like that, but. Hello.
Oh, you got a new camera?
I got this my birthday.
That's cool.
Yeah. You say hi, my fans?
Hi. What was that?
I don't know. Yeah, you guys want to click up below, gonna thumbs up. Click on YouTube, hit that bell. So yeah. Guys, there's one. This one is totally amazing. So I would do I need to walk around with it. Oh man. Guys, you're not fun at home, guys. Please. You do not prank people, don't do that more. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly tap below, guys. You know, I'm gonna click my YouTube. Oh, sorry, guys. All you do was click the thumbs up, hit that, click it the thumbs up, click it on YouTube, click it and the bell. But I did 2 pranks everything, everything you need. So yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs. So yeah. Really quick at top of roll. Really quick at top of roll, guys. Guys, I love you guys. Guys, do not prank on all the people. Maybe I can. But I'm an adult. I 36 years old. Oh, I just saw is in the park. A giant, big, giant park. Yeah. Is the trees. Is climbing. Oh, this is SIP right there. Here, I'll show you. I will. See that? There's a power SIP. Over here is a swing. And over here is a basketball hoop on the ground and basketball court. Over here, well, most spaces, but so I want to go back here. I want to paint. Oh, hold on, guys. Okay, how about? Hold on one second, guys. Okay, how about, guys? Guys, you're not doing anything wrong. Okay, guys? And part toward amazing. It's like, yeah. Yeah. Guys, you're not flying home, guys. You want to click up below. Click the thumbs up. Click it. Click on YouTube. Click hit that bell. Well, I want to go upstairs, guys. I'm going to prank people. Guys, do not fly home, guys. I love you guys, but do not fly home. Do not do pranks. Remember me. Oh, guys. Whew. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly top of all, guys. I did 2 pranks. Yeah. Hello. Guys, you're not acceptable. What else did I say? Hey, want to take I said, wait, this is Mama. I said, want to take a pizza? What? Yeah. Yeah, guys, not starting 18 yet. Oh. Hold on 1 second. My sister. What are you doing?
Can I call Mom real quick on your phone?
Why?
Because I need to ask her a question.
No.
Please?
You're not supposed to do it. I'm not doing it, Jenna. I'll book you, okay? Yes, I am.
Hello.
Hi. You wanna take a picture? You wanna take a picture? What? No? uh, hey, it's Algier. Hey, you wanna take a picture?
Yeah.
How's your father?
Huh?
You stink.
I do not stink.
You.
Do I?
See, you stink. See, you stink.
Jordan challenged the Russian guy. I knocked on his door. He challenged what? He ran. He dinged on the Russian guy.
Who was the guy?
The guy that knocks on his door. Every time somebody puts something on the sitting around. Can I be on tape?
What?
What is that?
I don't know.
There's a camera.
You want to take a picture?
Sure. Can you take a picture of me?
Sure.
Can you take a picture of me?
Sure.
How about me?
Sure, I'll take a picture.
Yeah. So it just scans you and it takes a picture. I think so.
Nope. You're not visiting my camera. I recorded my own videos.
Wait, when is it?
You got pranks.
I just hate you. My mom said we're gonna go to swimming all summer.
You know some overtime?
Can I do it one more time?
Sure.
He's taking videos.
So hi my friend.
Hi, my parents. So you're actually taking videos?
Yeah. My YouTube.
That's a YouTube thing?
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I do.
Oh.
You called Pokemon.
Pokemon YouTube channel?
Well, kind of, but called Peace, Wiggle Ran. I called a Peace with a circle. And I had a bird. I called a Wiggle. Called a Peace, Wiggle Ran. So,
Oh yeah, that one.
yeah.
So I can look it up on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm going to put my name on it. It's Shane Sweetheart. And it's S-H-E. And that's with Sweetheart. T-R-J-O. And a hat, a red hat, it's mine. And my old one is my old one.
Hang on. Can I hold it for a second? Hang on. I can hold it without you holding it.
Put me on YouTube. What's up, dog?
Hey. Sorry.
How does it make the sounds?
What sound?
Why does it make the farting sound?
Falling sound? What this?
It's in your pocket.
No, not me. No, no.
It is! It is!
No.
It is!
He saw it. What color is it?
It's brown.
You brown?
Green?
You look what you talk about, guys. You want to get on YouTube?
Yeah.
Click on our subscribers. And I'm Jacob right here, guys.
Hello.
Hey, hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, guys. I got a lot more fans right here. I got 3 people. So, yeah. April Fools! I got you guys. You gotta package this one.
I knew that. I knew it was in your pocket. How do you make it turn on? How do you make it do sound?
You know what sounds like?
Should I try?
No,
You're rude.
I'm not mean. I need that. My make our booking.
Dude, you're rude. Because
Can you do the burping one?
Sure. Wait. Wait.
It looks like
Oh. Hey.
I can burp. Do the burping one again.
Come on.
I was burping.
listening to music. Ah! It's Tabitha!
Avatar. I'm gonna pick her. Want me to?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get her in the video.
Nothing. You wanna take a picture? Why not? You're gonna have fun.
I want to. I want to take a picture.
You wanna take a picture? Oh, guys, not gonna get it up, guys. I got a lot more people subscribe, a lot more fans here.
Guess what? We're on Sam's YouTube channel.
You stink.
No, that was your thing. I don't know what it's called, but it is red.
Guys, you wanna get up, people? Here, I got that guy's right here. What's your name?
Jordan.
Your name Jordan. What's your name?
Kaden.
Kaden. You wanna take a picture? Come on. No?
You would actually be on YouTube.
You would be famous.
How many viewers do you have?
9.
What?
9.
9?
On my YouTube channel, I got 49.
49? Got that, buddy.
What's your YouTube channel?
R-A-D-A-E-R-D.
You wanna take a picture? You wanna take a picture?
Mine's the one with the play.
Cars. We're not that please.
What?
Car.
Mine's the one with the playground. Oh, you stink.
Yeah. You got more paper down there? On the part? You got more paper in the park?
There might be.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, I got YouTube here.
I thought that was my mom's parking spot, dude. I would literally say, dude, that's my mom's parking spot.
Dude.
That's our number.
Yeah.
They've done it before.
Dude, like, your mom might crack it.
Tajir.
Wait till the person
Come here.
in that parking spot. Where's your mark?
You wanna take a picture?
Yeah. Ew, bro.
You stink.
You do.
No, you stink.
Dude, you're actually on YouTube now.
Oh.
I just, get on. I just got 50
William, do you want to be?
subscribers.
Do you want to take a picture with Zane?
Hi. You wanna take a
Wanna
picture?
Take a picture?
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
You stink.
You stink.
Yeah, you stink.
Ew.
Funny.
You're on YouTube.
Your sister farted.
Phew.
Huey.
Ew.
I'm gonna kick you in the butt. What?
Shut up, Kai.
Shut up.
Oh, here's one. What's that?
Monica.
We want to take a picture. Right?
Jane, come here.
Coming. Guys, I'm gonna take a picture. You wanna take a picture?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? 3, 2.
You stink.
You stink.
You stink. Why does
Ew, you stink.
Yeah, you stink.
April Fools.
Wait, it's not even April, dude.
Yeah, it is.
It's May. Can you guys move straight in the car, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, meow.
Just long.
You wanna take a picture one more time? Alright, you ready?
It's in his pocket. Oh,
It's ready.
Is that a new stand thing too?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So you got a new YouTube camera
Yep.
and a new stand for it.
What did you do with your old one?
Well, my old one because my sister Madison,
Broke it.
I have my cars, and it is pop out, so is on the picture the cars. It's not working for me, but I got a new one. On the red hat, it's just a new one.
Come here, Shane. Shane, come here.
I forgot
Come
your
here.
YouTube
What?
channel. I knew it before.
Come here, brother.
And he's making a new one. He's making a new video for his YouTube channel.
Come here.
And you're
I got something to say.
and so are we. I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, video YouTube.
I'm on YouTube.
Actually, this is
I have super crazy videos.
Yeah.
Can you write down your
Russian guy we were
YouTube
talking
channel
about?
on a piece of paper
It's
for me?
Shane. I
Sure.
forgot the last one, but it's
I'll
Shane
do that
something.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Come here, Shane.
And then during the weekends, I will be able to watch your YouTube channel
Good.
and see what you have.
I got it. What's up?
He has a hacker video. That was the last time I watched it. It was a while ago.
This guy is weird.
No, do not do it over there. I can't.
It's the Russian guy.
Yeah, I can't do that. Sorry.
He bangs on his door.
Just because we were walking by.
Yeah, no do that, okay? No do that. Because he said you're gonna go cop. No do that, okay?
He always says that, but he doesn't do it.
I know, but no do that, okay? I don't want you guys to fall, okay?
My sister. Jenna's here too. I know she's.
Jenna's your sister, right?
Wait,
Yeah.
I just saw Jenna.
Hey, you want to take a picture? No.
Hey, Jasani! Want to take a picture with Shane? Shane, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, we already did it to her.
Your brother's name's Jake. I always get you and your brother mixed up.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Oh, so
You want to take a picture?
Dasani,
No? Okay.
someone needs to take a picture with this guy.
Yeah, cause like already he pranked us. First, he pranked me.
I did it.
Oh, you got me so good. I was like, what?
Oh, well, I know what to do.
What?
William.
What?
William.
What?
William.
Yeah.
William. Let's go.
Go get him.
Dasani, do you want to take a picture with him?
I already did.
Dang it.
Guys, do it to his sister.
Well, I can't do that. Which one?
William.
The girl. William's sister, the girl. Sitting on the bed.
Haley?
Yeah, Haley. Haley,
Haley, don't have pizza. Sorry.
do I take a picture with Haley?
See?
Shane,
What? What?
yeah, make the car. I got the perfect girl.
Okay.
It's gonna be so fun. Her over there.
Oh, yay. Guys, I got a lot more people, guys.
Oh, that's my house. My sister. Hi, Shane and Izzy. Oh, whoops. And then Jenna and Izzy. Here's your sister. Oh, this is so fun. This girl house. This girl house.
My girl's house.
This little girl.
No, I can't do that either. Sorry.
That's Victoria.
Yeah,
Victoria's mean.
she is.
Oh, if I know right there.
Did you know Victoria's back?
No.
Hey, Lily. Want to take a picture with Shane?
I'm sorry. I'm going home. I'm tired.
Just
Oh, come on, one more.
take a picture with him.
No, no, one pizza.
Really quick, Lily. Just really quick. Lily, come on.
Is your name? Is your YouTube channel name Shane?
Yep.
Oh,
Shane. What's your name?
Shane.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Yo, I just drifted.
I know the perfect.
What?
Come on, Jack.
What you did?
Guys, over here, Shane. Shane.
Dude,
Hold on 1 second. There's a car coming.
lights are bright.
She's nice.
Yeah, but
Watch out. Watch out.
It is Shane. She'll take a picture anytime. But don't do the fart noise. She will scream. She's like, get out of my house.
I know that girl. I know who it is. I know what this. I know who the girl is.
Oh,
What's this side?
it's the on and off button.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, guys. That is so much, guys. I'm gonna get up a vlog. So, what's your name, Dan?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Hayden.
Kaden,
Malachi.
you,
Malachi.
Malachi. Oh, Nick. You wanna take a pizza?
It's a video. It's a video.
You stink.
No, I
Nick spotted. You stink.
You stink! And you actually fell for it.
Alright, guys. That's so much for watching. My name is Chester Hill. He is
Malachi.
Malachi. I'll see you next time. Chester Hill. Peace out.